to the Mataru Kitchen. I'm Kat and today we are going to make Chickless Curry Chicken. If you're new to our channel, welcome! Here in the Mataru Kitchen, we share vegan and vegetarian recipes that we love. If you like today's recipe, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Here in Singapore, you can easily find vegetarian curries. However, it usually has a particular taste. Since I've become vegetarian, I've been wanting to create the kind of chicken curry I used to have. And that's what I'm sharing with you today. A chickless curry chicken that is less complicated than you might think. Alright, let's begin. Okay, let me run through the ingredients that we need for today. We will need curry powder. Find the curry powder that is used for curry chicken. Small onions, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, curry leaves, potatoes, coconut cream, vegetable stock of your choice, and for the protein, we will be using ring rolls, and some plant-based chicken. Today I'm using the one from Vegetarian Butcher, but you can use any alternative protein that you like. And also we'll need some salt and water. Alright, that's it. Let's start prepping. Alright, first we will start with slicing our red onion thinly. So here I have about 160 grams of shallots. Alright, then we keep this aside. Next we will finely chop the ginger and the garlic. Next, we need 2 lemongrass. I've already peeled off the most outer layer, so we just need to cut away the nub at the end. And as always, we only use the white part of the lemongrass, the most tender part of the lemongrass. We have to just slightly bruise it. Okay, next we are going to cut 4 potatoes into smaller pieces. Cut them in a slightly irregular shape. Like that, diagonally cut across the potato. This is the kind of style we do it here. Okay, now we keep this aside. Have prepared the small onion, the ginger and the garlic, lemongrass, potato. I think that's it. The prep work is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, so now I've heated about 4 tablespoons of oil into my pot and I'm going to fry my red onion first. For this step, we are tempering the spices, so just cook them at a low heat, low to medium heat. Do not try to rush this part because the onions will get burnt really fast, but it's not aromatic. Now another tip, when you are cooking onions at low heat, you do not have to stir it all the time. You can let it sit a little bit on the surface of the pot to get the heat and let it release its flavor. Because if you keep stirring, the temperature will keep dropping. That will actually take more time and it's really not necessary. So now you see the onions have softened. We can add in our ginger and garlic. Smells so good. Onion, ginger, garlic, best combination. Now this part will take a little bit more time, but the thing about cooking is the more love and patience you give to it, the better the results. Unless you are really new to cooking, sometimes, we make some mistakes, doesn't turn out as well, but that's the fun about cooking. It's like an experiment. It's a creative process. And that's why I love cooking. It's time to add in the curry leaves. Oh, love the smell of curry leaves. So we will add about 2 sprigs of leaf. Just take 1 sprig and then just like that. Easy. Oh, really aromatic, really aromatic. At this point we can also add in our lemongrass. Smells so good, smells so good. Now we'll fry this mixture for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now we add about 3 tablespoons of curry powder. Ooh, so good. I wish you can smell this right now. I wish you were here. Which is why you have to give this recipe a try. It's really not difficult at all. Now we are going to add in our potatoes. Now we fry this for about 1 minute. Now we can add about 1.2 liters of water. Now that the water is almost coming to a boil, we can add in 1 vegetable stock cube. Next, we add in the coconut cream. Now let me have a quick taste to see if we need to add more salt to our curry. Now this step is really dependent on the kind of vegetable stock you're using and your preference. Pretty close. I think just need a little bit more salt, about half a teaspoon. Okay. I think the seasoning is good enough. So now we will let this simmer for another 45 to an hour to let the flavor intensify. Now while we're waiting for the curry to be ready, let's prepare the protein. Today I'll be using the chickened out chunk from Vegetarian Butcher. So in a hot pan, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. So I'm gonna sear it until it's crispy on the outside. Just get it a bit toasty. Alright, now it's done. Just lightly season it with some salt and some pepper. Now we leave it aside. We're going to add the chicken on top of the curry later. I wouldn't recommend to boil it in the curry because the taste of the alternative meat, for instance the one I'm using now, will change. You will taste the soy flavor more, so it's not exactly how I want it, but it's really up to you. My recommendation would be to just add the chicken on top of the curry just before you serve. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes. Let's check on the curry. Wow, okay. Okay, now take a look at this. The curry looks integrated now and the potatoes are soft. The curry is ready. Let's serve. Apart from the chicken that we've just prepared, we also have some ring roll. So just before serving, dip a few pieces into the curry. Now let's first get some potatoes. Take some of the ring rolls. Then we top it up with some of the chicken. You can garnish it with some red chili. There you have it, Chickless Curry Chicken. Okay, shall we do a taste test? Alright, we usually serve the curry chicken with some rice or some bread. Today I've prepared some very old school bread. I'm gonna have some with it. Pinch a little bit of the bread, then dip into the curry. So good. Potato is really soft. The potato is really soft. It has really absorbed all the flavor from the curry. The curry is not too spicy at all, just enough. It's got a little bit of kick, but if you like it spicier, if you're somebody who likes your food spicy, then just add more curry powder. But be careful not to add too much because it might get too powdery. The thing I want to try is the chicken. Oh my god. The chicken tastes so good, goes really well with the curry, and the ring roll. It just absorbed all the curry in between its layers. So good. Alright, now we have come to the end of today's video. Chickless Curry Chicken. I think you should really give this recipe a try. It's very easy, not complicated, not too many steps, and very flavorful. If you did give this recipe a try, comment down below and let us know how it turned out. And if you liked today's video, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!